I am Mr. Moba Konyak, the president of the Muyakshu Village Students Union, Mon District, Nagaland. I am delivering this statement on behalf of the family members of Mr. Peyao Konyak, son of late Moba of my village, that is Muyakshu Village, under Mon District of Nagaland. Mr. Peyao got captured and apprehended by some unknown miscreants in Imphal, in Manipur, today at around 1 p.m. Mr. Peyao is a bona fide citizen of my village, Muyakshu Village. He is currently working as a laborer at the Victoria Veener Mills, that is at Yaripok, Thobal District, Manipur. Today, as per the report by his wife, he went out for medical checkup. So, after having apprehended by those miscreants, he lastly called his wife and told that he got captured and so on. Thereafter, his phone got switched off and his whereabouts is unknown till now. So, may I request all the concerned authorities and those concerned people involved in the apprehension of Mr. Peyao to kindly do necessary actions for safety return of Mr. Peyao. Thank you so much.